Hey, welcome back. It's Tyler and Justin with Fisher Auto in Boulder. We're going to do some quick videos on winter tips and driving and that kind of thing. And we're going to shoot this beautiful 2022 Acura MDX A-Spec. Beautiful car, beautiful car. Today we're going to talk about, Justin,
starting your car when it's cold.
Starting your vehicle when it's cold. Okay, good. This one's going to be
super easy.
Super easy, especially with today's vehicles that have remote start, and that's what we're going to talk about predominantly, is vehicles that have the ability to remote start. So take it away, my good friend.
All right, so most of these brand new cars, they come with remote start already installed in them. What you want to do at that point is it'll only work if the security system is armed. So with the security system armed, you press and hold that start button, takes 3 to 5 seconds. Car will start for you. It's on a timer. It'll run for 10-15 minutes depending on the vehicle. Some of you might be worried about the whole puffing aspect as far as getting your car stolen or whatnot. Hondas and Acuras, when they do the remote start, they only stay in accessory mode. So once you try to shift the car out of gear, it just kills the car and it won't start it. So leave your climate control on high or whatever, defrost, so on and so forth, and 10-15 minutes tops, you'll be good to go. If the battery voltage is too low though, however, it will not work. So make sure you get that battery checked, have a nice charge on it, especially before, Friday, when it's supposed to be down into the single digits in the morning. So that's it for this one. If you have any questions or you need a demo on how to do your automatic start, which we do get a lot here.
That's true.
Just give us a call, swing by, a couple of minutes, you'll get the gist of it and you'll be on your way. So
yeah, and again, it's we're talking predominantly newer vehicles that have the ability to remote start, because we want you to be safe and we don't want your vehicle to be stolen in your driveway or the street or that kind of thing. So with today's vehicles, that's a really nice feature. And when he says or speaks about the battery being charged, I believe you're talking about the vehicle.
Yeah, I'm
battery,
sorry, the
right?
vehicle battery. Sorry, my bad.
The battery that's under the hood, and not the battery in your key fob, which has to be good too as well.
Yeah, right.
And I think we're talking, I think it's 25, 30 feet range?
Yeah, give or take. I mean, it really depends on the vehicle. Some of them have different transponders and whatnot. So if your key's on a hook somewhere, right by your garage door or something, as long as it's within 20-30 feet, you should be fine.
Good. All right, hope that's helpful. And again, we're here for you, so stop on by, give us a call at the number at the bottom of the screen. We're happy to help you, okay? All right, happy holidays to you all. We'll talk to you soon.